Hi, welcome to Champion Trading. What we're showing you today, this is a custom-built paddle agitator from our inventory, and we've rebuilt the unit, added a stainless steel drive motor, about 1.5 horses, and through a worm gear type producer by Winsmith. We've also added a AC frequency speed controller, and we're operating on 223 phase voltage right now. The speed controller will allow a full range of speed just by depressing the key and changing your speed up or down. I'm going to show you that right now. It'll ramp up slowly, takes a second, and then it will just go to its normal ramp up speed. And you can control all of that. There's 30 hertz. We're going to run it right up to the maximum speed, which is 60 hertz. It'll automatically stop right there. And that's the maximum mechanical speed that the drivetrain is designed for. All these controllers work like this, and certainly a great feature to have on any equipment. Quick and easy to add variable speed. This particular controller will run on 223 phase. It will also be, it will take a feed of 220 single phase and convert that to 3-phase should your equipment be that voltage. And we're lowering it back down again. Nice and easy to operate. There's all kinds of features within these controllers, so you have to read the book for it and get familiar with its operation. Control how fast it ramps up, slows down, brakes, and countless other features. We have lots of equipment like this in our stock, so I do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.